my boat. I think it's a falcon. I think it's a falcon. This thing right here. I thought it was a pigeon at first, but it doesn't look like a pigeon. At first I thought it was a pigeon. Then I was really looking at it as it flew there. The wings look different. Although it kind of looks like a pigeon from here now. No. The beak's different. Yeah, I think this is a falcon, dudes. This is crazy. Check him out, see? What's up, buddy? What's going on? What's up? Check him out. He's badass. Oh, he just shit. Nice. He's shitting on the world. Yeah, that's what we need. Shit right on that damn world. Whoa, there he goes. See? Holy shit. I think he was I don't know what he was.